Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to see OpenZaplin's access control. Let's start. Let's import OpenZaplin's access control smart contract. How this contract is used is you have to define roles of each role, and every function will have a revert statement if that role is not matching for that particular user. So let's define few roles. And similarly, let's make a professor role. So student can submit his test and professor can grade the test. So let's create two functions. So similarly for the professor, he has to be a professor to create a particular test. So I'm not writing any logic, I'm just writing test graded. So in this video, we are only demonstrating how the roles work, not the logic of grading the test. You also have to set the font role. So in the constructor, we have to add this so the person who deploys the contractor becomes the admin of this contract. Let's compile. So the contract is deployed. So let's grant role for a different wallet. So we have given student role for one address, and let's also give a professor role for a different address. So you have given a address a professor role. Now let's test. Now let's try to grade a test. We cannot grade a test because we are not a professor. Let's try to submit test. You're not a student, so let's switch to student account, and we're able to submit the test. And if we switch to professor account, we're able to call the grade function. Like this, we can maintain different roles and give access to different roles inside the smart contract for different functions.